What's up everyone, this is JrTech and today we have a review from Lighthouse. This is the smart home security camera. We're going to take a look at it, see all the pros and cons and the features, and see if it's worth your hard-earned money. So let's get started. The biggest difference between the Lighthouse security camera and other competitors in the market is the 3D sensor. Now this is going to give you the ability to track people, kids, and pets and be able to tell the difference. And this is really going to give you a huge benefit when it comes to the software and be able to go back and rewind certain sections a lot easier than other competitors. Overall, the build quality on this is absolutely superb. It's made out of really high quality materials, so you're not going to have to worry about anyone knocking it over and breaking it. You're able to tilt the camera back and forth so you can get that perfect camera angle of the whole entire room. The unit itself does have a good amount of weight to it, especially on the base right here. It's nice and sturdy and has a nice grip to it, so you know it's not going to knock over. The base does come undone and you can mount it to a different kind of surface or mount, so that's one thing to take into consideration. One of the best features of the Lighthouse security camera has to be the software. It is very simple to use, but at the same time it has a bunch of different features that you can take advantage of. The home screen of the app shows a bunch of different information, such as a live footage stream as what's going on. You can do with sirens, talk to people, see the last activity, set up pings, so if your kid comes home from school you can have it automatically send you an alert to your smartphone. Or you could also do a data scrubbing, which makes it really simple to look up certain activities that went on in your house. So for example, you could ask, please identify any unwanted guests, and the app is smart enough to pick up on certain faces, and if it's not one of the faces that normally pops up within the app itself or identifies it, it's going to come up as unwanted. So say for example, your kid comes home with another friend from school, you could then find out about it right away. The ability to ask instead of scrubbing also makes it a lot easier, so you can get daily recaps of what happened in the day, or you can go back to certain times and say what happened yesterday at 3:25 p.m. The Lighthouse is sporting a 1080 HD camera and also has night vision as well. The camera quality is pretty good. You could definitely pick up on people's faces when they walk in the room and you can easily identify them. So this makes it great for security, or if someone's just horsing around in the house and happens to break something, you know exactly who that person was. The camera also has a siren feature. And if you want to have a two-way conversation through the camera, you could also do that.
Alright, so here's the big quality before you get the first YouTube with joint content that we recommended.
As you just heard, there's quite a bit of feedback in the audio, but I did confirm with Lighthouse, this is something that they're working on right now, and it is going to be improved in the near future. Here's the night vision quality test, and I have to say this is a pretty hard shot because in the room itself it is completely dark, but then on the outside there's lighting and it picked up on everything in the room pretty well. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the Lighthouse security camera, especially after testing the indoor Nest camera. I would recommend the Lighthouse over the Nest because of the superb software and different features you're able to have with the 3D tracking, which makes data scrubbing a lot easier compared to any other security camera on the market. Overall, I'm a big fan and I would definitely recommend this. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is JrTech signing off. Peace.